Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries Fire Sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Take messages. So let's see Aries, what are the messages for you and what's going on. Messages for Aries. Seven of Wands with Eight of Cups and Two of Wands under the deck. High Priestess. So you are very defensive right now, Aries. Maybe for some you are in separation. You decided to walk away from this connection, but you are thinking about this person a lot. Maybe one person in this connection have options, but you are thinking about them day and night. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states, but you are very defensive and you decided to walk away. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Eight of Swords, Strength, and Four of Wands. You are feeling stuck in recent past. You unable to make any more in this relationship. Then you started focusing on yourself. You are taking your control back. The Strength card and Four of Wands. I think for some you both are in twin flame journey. You want this happiness with this person, but it was not happened. That's why maybe you're feeling stuck, and then you started focusing on yourself. Then present Seven of Cups, Queen of Cups, and Temperance. Still you are confused. Maybe for some you have options also, but I'm getting confusion here because even though you decided to walk away from this person, you still have feelings for this person. Maybe one part of you want to move on from this person, but another part still want this person back into your life. And Temperance, patience. Maybe you are patiently waiting for them, and at the same time you are focusing to balance within yourself. Yes. So I think you are working on yourself and you are very caring and sharing person, Aries. Then future Six of Swords, Page of Swords, and Empress. Maybe yes, you got the power to walk away, moving towards calm waters, and but someone is spying on you. Maybe you are spying. I think it's not you. They, for some children's also involved in this connection, and in future you are taking your control back. Definitely, it's all about you more than your person. You are working on yourself. You are taking your control back, and the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Aries, let's see your person current feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Queen of Swords. Right now they are not talking to you. Their cold behavior. So let's see their current feelings. Yeah, Nine of Wands, Nine of Swords, Two of Swords, Knight of Wands, and Five of Pentacles. Oh my God. I think they are missing you for sure. Right now, they're not talking to you. maybe they don't want to express their feelings to you, that's why they're guarded up, but they are missing you so much, and they are very passionate towards you. I think they are suffering in silence because Nine of Swords with Five of Pentacles. Definitely they are missing you, and they are at some crossroads also because they confuse Two of Swords energies here. Maybe they are juggling between head over their heart, that type of situation, but they still very very attracted to you, very very passionate to you, and they are missing you, but they have to make some decision, but they are not getting clarity. Two of Swords energies here, especially they are losing their nights over you, they're thinking about you, they're getting anxiety and depression type of energy. So let's see their intentions, Aries. Maybe for some family also involved in this connection, family issues. Yeah, Justice, Six of Cups, wow, Five of Wands with Empress and Ten of Wands. For some, maybe one person, I think the woman in this connection could be pregnant, but right now your person feeling overburdened, maybe their emotions are overflowing. Definitely they are thinking about second chances with you, the Justice with Six of Cups. For some, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Definitely they want second chances with you, they are thinking about you a lot. They want to communicate with you. And Five of Wands, yeah, there's still lot of drama going in their life, but they want second chances with you, and they are thinking about you 24/7. Six of Cups is here. Yes, with Justice and Six of Cups, definitely they want second chances. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. See, Ten of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. Yes, they want to give clarity, communication. So under the deck, Four of Pentacles with Hermit. Right now your person may be not talking with you, but in near future they will give clarity to you. Right now they're thinking about you a lot. Ace of Swords, communication with clarity. Yes, they want to give clarity, but it will take some time, but they are thinking about you a lot and missing you a lot, but you are taking your control back, Aries. Magician, Judgment. I think you are in the Magician energy near future, Aries. You will manifest whatever you are wishing for when you are in that vibration. And Judgment, definitely you will make some major decision. It's a decision time. And under the deck, Wheel of Fortune, Divine Timing. Let's see mutual. Lovers card with Eight of Pentacles and Hope. And wow, for some definitely there will be reconciliation. Maybe they will come back and ask for second chances. Eight of Pentacles. Now your person really want to work on this relationship. Definitely commitment. There is love, mutual love, Gemini. The person involved in this connection could be, yes, they want second chances with you. There is love between both of you. And yes, Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings. There is a chance for new beginnings for some. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aries. Finances and career. I am not feel good enough for you. Reunion is coming. Text is coming. I always thinking about you and I still love you. So the messages are finances and career. I am not feel good enough for you. Reunion is coming. Text is coming. I always thinking about you. I still love you. So these are the messages from your person and take what resonates. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Adjustments are required for quarter moon. Be bold and make the first move, cardinal moon. So if you want to make a first move, this is the message for someone. for some. So if you want to make a first move, so it is the message for you, be bold and make the first move, and adjustments are required. Even though you both will reconcile, after that there are some adjustments are required in this relationship. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.